Them a freak a girl piss man. You are the gin turn on, but tell the boy themself. Hungry belly junk cause all them work. Kill them man on the trigger finger say. The pussy them a try. Style man and a say loyalty. But when me kill the pussy them a work naturality. Because they just stand up to butt and all the blind man say. Me not trust them. Rifle. Pussy stop use me name brush your teeth like toothpaste. So you can know you're two-faced. I tell a friend them to kill chase. You could have lived in a grill place. Everything I get, they microwave. I top the place like microwave. Mr. Pussy, you like a grape. You know me sick, me psycho. Two-faced boys to me and a laugh up. Laugh up on them, drop them a cough up. Come back and when them all you start up. Freak boy with the girl them say can't. When you see me on the left, take that side there. Freak it, take that side there.
May I listen to one Movado. We are this Warlord. You see, look how fussy. This Warlord. And now a man them a slap you from left to right. And I pay like a crony. Me hear a answer. Movado. You used to be an artist. Not tell a lie. A gully me used to say straight. Me not say nowhere now. You this Warlord. You this the Warlord big time. I know you run go friend back. Me not the Warlord, you know. But if I'm me the Warlord, you can't friend me back. Listen them fucker your way attack. This year, this is gully god. The grand god. Yeah, yeah. Are they generally attack? You better go sing this with Demarco and Popcaan. Man must slap out your head back. About 6 months now. Alright, about 3 weeks now. You no response yet, Mr. Movado. What the fuck? Yeah, this is Warlord. You have strength for your Warlord. We bring you in this. And you have strength for Popcaan. Popcaan slap you away with dirty dread, you know. If this was the end of the clash, you're dead. And you see, and then you never get no grave. But Demarco tomb you now. Yeah? Way song with Demarco there. You have about 6 songs you sing for Warlord. I rapid burst you want for your killer. So who you call pussy? I grunga they call pussy. So where pussy there for Demarco? Cause Demarco King Kong done you. Now me vex. Huh? Okay. You are this the ground god. You are hey Kevin, what you say? Him this the ground god. Him this the ground god and I go on like say where? Him a smarty. Yo. None wins for you. What? What? No, you're not. I want to have people can hear that song. You're not on the body's thing. No, people. Every word where him say in this, him a dedicated to bounty killer. Who see that? Kevin, now this boy or this Kevin. We not rate that. You're mad. You call it ground god freak like y'all piss pan. Eh? Hey, you see friend? Friend of fuckery. Bob Marley said, them pussy they know me secret so they can reveal it. Even though I must make him make up that for the Warlord. Listen. Who you not trust? Emmanuel Bossy, you not trust? Yeah, good. I'm gonna rate that. I'm gonna rate you. Now we are called pussy again. A ground guard, you see. Violation. Be a violation. The police boy. Yeah. No ratings for that boy named Movado. Him can't manage him enemy them. But the man will bring you in a music and make people know you. And you have nothing. Or killer never bust me. Or who bust you out. Or who you hang around. From your hang around, killer people rate you. From killer give the permission to stand upside him. Producer, audience, everybody want to know who you. From your stand upside eye killer. And this is the payment you give killer. Me vex so me hear the song a little while. Sexy trying to play off our phone. And when me hear the song, I cross. Because me say some boy I beat you up every minute, I bust your face. That man can slap you away. Popcaan, me don't know over Popcaan. Right now you kick away. Kick out. And over there so you're there. Out of stadium. The man, he call like American football and kick you out of the stadium. Call like baseball. Out of the ball field. Where there? Bait blood. Bait blood. I'm going to take it serious too. Because from being a beaut, me I say bounty killer. Warlord, I want to change blood. We never have no plan for write no song for help you. We not help you. You're for dead in the music. Not in a real life, you know, but in the music you're pussy. And you call it ground god pussy. Nah man, you're my artist, you used to be my artist, you. No, me never run from the sun. Me never run from the sun. Me love the sun, you want to see my skin. Look on my hand. Then say me white, but now me black. I don't because I wash my face, I wash my face, it can't off of my face a little bit. Chest still black. Oh, nobody look on my chest. I'm sexy. Yeah, no sir, the Movado song that piss me off like while I hear it. You can't this the Warlord. And when them boy they slap out your head back, the mark off you up on the wall, a pay thump. When Popcaan kick it away there, when the market thump you that way there, the King Kong just bust off your head. Rip off your head and dash your body. The carcass them a pick up. You know man say, we sang them the youth. We sang them the way I kill back people with the man them and slap out your head back. Okay. I'm gonna break in transmission now because I'm really pissed off at Movado for making that song, This in the Warlord Bounty Killer. Him mentor, him teacher, him general. You see, traitors, mate. Traitors they are. I don't like traitors because these traitors will know what you're will bring enemy. It's like you have a girlfriend and the girlfriend begs with you and go fornicate with your total enemy, your rival, your nemesis. Traitor. You cannot defend it when the man them are kicking in your face, but the Warlord will bring in. You know what? I don't more to say. I press finish now. Thanks for all who log on. Yeah, somebody send this to Movado too if you don't have him link. Make him know some man I respect him for the move them way make. Yeah, this man. No, alright. You know what? As I said before, you couldn't friend me back if I me was killer. Me and a killer still in, but you couldn't friend me back. Matter of fact, killer just shake you and go on like killer narrate you. Killer have your half. And you know that too. Killer have your over. There's a killer say, pussy that. You know killer stay. In Bex for life. Yeah?